Yes, please, me there, I want to put in Roxie. Serious, I
Love me too much, oh, excess love, oh. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, excess love, oh. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, excess love, oh. You love me too much, oh. Thank you, Jesus. Roxie. Thank you, Jesus. Mercy said no. Roxie. Thank you, Jesus. Roxie. What? Look at that, you're making too much noise. I didn't know it was that loud. Look. Hi, guys.
It's been a one eye from you. Come out yourself. Right to some wire. Hey, stop right this.
Let's see people asleep.
Why you make so much noise in how much I can manage?
Sorry.
But important, you know? I may have things I do.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, you mean you what?
Bye, girl.
Hey, girl, will you upset me and make me want to tear up my wig? You don't know? Don't make no more noise.
The red ass means I can't stand out. Their problem try give me, you know. Want something to keep me entertained. Oh, it's not critical, you know. My guy have too body miserable. Opposite side, yeah.
Okay, I like the purple, but I want it to be pink. And hi, cousin Roxie. Hello, cousin Chyna. Hello, Sissy. Hello.
How are you guys? What are you guys doing?
Playing a dog game. Look.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. So I just want to know if you guys want to come and see where we live now. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we want to come for you guys tomorrow.
Bye. When is tomorrow? When is tomorrow? Oh yes, we're going tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yes.
Yeah, people, they are social house 101, you know, representing. Boy, Skyler, the girl, them top man, take them and bring them to a different island. And they are with
Zachary the comedian when you are soft soap.
soft, but you have to
But
use
they are
it down.
suffragette.
You have to drink suffragette to get boots.
But you know what is?
Brown in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know your girl Sassy Stacy, my fashion channel. You know them stuff I go. I have to make you know what going in a fashion. Alright, this is the last time we did ask you for board. I love the chai sound of it. So here what? I want to do it again for me. You see me? Me I go on wine tasting. You know wine and grape and all of them good some of them. And guess what? Kyle Chin I got there so you know your girl have it look good. Alright, here I go now. You see that nice color dress here? You want to tell me if it's gonna look good for your girl body. I'm gonna like the color already, see? My girl, every time I do something you interrupt me.
What every time I ask you to give me an answer?
Because you have look round at the library. Look round at the library.
It's not a brownie, man. You know what this?
Oh, hot pepper sauce. Oh, I see.
You know what this?
Oh, that's the brownie.
Oh. What is?
Pepsi, what you talking?
Oh, what is?
Yes, rum punch.
Oh, alright, you pour your own thing, never you pour your own thing.
Alright.
Hold up.
So I go now.
Right.
So I go.
Right.
Because I know say you are faint today, no boy.
Hold this.
No, say you are faint today, no boy. You're not ready yet,
Hold this, the man.
You're not ready yet, no boy.
Alright.
You're not ready yet, you know.
Good old Ray.
I wanna go up on stove and cook you already.
Hold that. A joke, man.
Yeah, man, ready. 1, 2, 3. Eh? Yeah, see. You just got pranked. And so we make you drink, boy. You have food. Hold that, man. Hold that prank there. You see me drink none? Hold that, man. You just get pranked.
You know what that?
Hold that, man. And that make power off, girl. Prank, you get pranked, man. Hold
Alright,
that.
the most get you back, you know.
You can't catch me, man. I'll let you have hold. All if you wake up by your morning and go 4 times, you can't
Most get you,
you have food.
Alright.
Only drink this thing up and you don't start to drink. Good, you know. Good. Prank. You
You
can't prank and prank.
Let me have the business, I left you somebody.
You see what me talk about, guys? Them doesn't know. Must I tell you something? Them 2 twins there, them come like crasses. You know? Yes, she come and interrupt me. She do it more than one time. But anyhow, here what we're going now. As I said, guys, you don't know what to do. Just do it, get it, and make it go on with it. You see me? Here what? Later. Your girl Stassi out.
You editing?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, this is Brit Brat.
Yep.
Oh, what are you editing?
I'm just fixing a scene.
Wow, a dance video. It's Brit Brat dance video.
Just a nice little show.
Oh, I like it. I like her dance videos. You know, watching them online. So you do her videos, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, Brit Brat can dance good, man. Girl, look what I'm here for you. Am I looking for me? Yes. And the girl says it's a big problem. Who this? Anyhow, a big girl says a big problem shall give me. Come on, man. Bye, Mike.
Bye.